Yes, chef.
Hi everyone, it's Christy here from Yes Chef. Today we will be making chicken cashew, a popular Chinese dish which can be served for lunch or dinner. For the ingredients, you need chicken breast, cooking oil, onions, salt and pepper to taste, brown sugar and flour, baby corns, snow peas, carrots, dried chilies and cashew nuts, dark soy sauce and oyster sauce, and spring onion. Please see the link to the downloadable recipe card in the description below. We will now start preparation for this dish. Slice the carrot evenly. Chop the baby corns. We also need to cut the snow peas. Chop the spring onions. And quarter the medium size of onion. And now we can slice the chicken breast. For the sliced chicken breast, season with salt and pepper. Mix it all together and add the flour. And now we're ready to start cooking chicken cashew. Put the pan in the medium heat. Pour the cooking oil. And now start frying the coated chicken breast. Fry to 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. Drain on kitchen towel. In the wok, put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cook the cashew nuts until it's brown. In the same wok, put the dried chilies. Add the onion. Add the oyster sauce. Add the dark soy sauce. Add brown sugar. And now add the fried chicken breast. Add the carrots, baby corns, snow peas, and toss. Add the spring onion. Season with salt and pepper. And lastly, add the cashew nuts. Toss for a minute. And now we're gonna start plating. And that's how I cook the chicken cashew. If you're interested in learning to cook Asian recipes like this, why not subscribe to my channel? Click on the notification bell to hear when new recipes are uploaded. Don't forget to join us in our weekly Saturday live cooking session where we will be making Filipino dish chicken adobo. If you want to follow along with me, see the full list of the ingredients in our Facebook page. See you next time!